Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about some example program. So with these programs, we are going to implement the concept that we have studied in this section. So the first example program is write an Apex class with a method containing a list of items, pass an item name to the same method as the parameter, add the passed item at the first position in the list, and print the list in normal order and then in ascending order. So we will create a class. There in the class inside the method we will create a list of items. The class method will accept an item as parameter and then we need to add that item at the first position. Finally, we need to print the list in normal and in ascending order. So let's see how to do that. So guys, here's the example program. Here I have created an example program, one class in which I created add to list method, which is accepting an item, which is a string type itself. Now inside this program, you can see I have already created a list of string named as items and I have added few items to it. Now because we need to add this item at the first position, I am calling the add method with an index and I am passing 0 index over here so that this item can be added at the first position. Now I printed the items here in the normal order and then I called the sort method. So this sort method will sort the items in increasing order and then I printed that items list in increasing order as well. So now let's see the output. So now in this program, when I will call this add to list method, I will pass the item over here. So let me pass suppose table and let me click on execute. So now you can see the newly passed item is at the first position in the list and then the list is printed in normal order and then after the list is printed in increasing order because of that sort method. Now let's see the next program. Example program 2. Write an Apex class with a method containing a set of employee names, pass a list of employee names to the same method as the parameter and create a new set from the list. Remove all the employee names from this newly created set that are already existing in the first set and then print both the sets. This program is basically on set. So what we will do, we will create a class, we will create a method and inside that method we will create a set for employee names. We will also pass a list of employee names to the same method as parameter and from that list we will create a new set. In this newly created set, we will remove all the employee names that are already existing in the set which we have already created in the method and then we will print both the sets. So let's see the program. So this is our program, example program 2, and in this program I have created this show employee method which is accepting a list of string which is nothing but list of employee. I created a set over here known as employees 1 and I added few employees to this set. Now here I have also created a new set which will be created according to the list of employees that I will pass to this certain method. Now we need to remove all the employees in this newly created set which is already existing in the old set. And then we printed both the sets over here. So let's run this program. Now while calling this show employee method, I need to pass a new list of employees. And here I am inserting new employees to this list. And I am intentionally repeating some of the employees. Let's see, I will repeat 2 of the employees over here. So definitely when the new employee or when the second set will be printed, it will only print Ajay and Vikas. So let's execute the program. So you can see the existing employee names, which was the first set, it is printing Amit Sparsh Vicky, but the set created from the past employee name is printing Ajay and Vikas only as Amit and Sparsh was already existing in this set. Let's see the next program. In example program 3, it is asking to write an Apex class with a method containing a map of a list of employee names with the department as the key. Pass a department name as the method parameter and get the employee names of the department. And print all the unique employee names of the department. So here it is asking us to create a map of list of employees inside the method of the class with department as the key. Now the method will accept the department name as parameter and get employee names of that department. Now the catch here is we need to print all the unique employee names of the department. So we will get the employee names, but there is no guarantee that the employee names will be unique. But while printing, we have to make sure that we will print unique employee names only. So let's see the program. So here's our program. You can see the class name is example program 3 with the method show department employees. And this method is accepting a string as parameter, which is nothing but the department name. Here I have created a map of string key and list string as values. Now this list string will be the list of employees, and string will represent the department name. Now I can clearly see I have intentionally repeated employee names in each list over there. Now whatsoever department name is passed to this method, we are getting employee names from that department by calling the get method of the map and passing the key. Because each key represents a list of string, this certain method will return us a list of string which I am storing in this employees list. Here I have created a set as well, and I am passing this list of employees to this set. Now this set is guaranteeing us that it's not going to add any duplicate value. Hence we will get all the unique employees in this set. Now in the last two lines, I just printed that unique employee names of the past department name are, and then printed this set. So let's run this program. Now when I will call this show department employees, I need to pass a string which is nothing but the department name, and let's fetch the value from IT department. Click on execute, and as you can see, it's printing the unique employee names of IT, which is Ajay, Amit, Rishabh. So guys, that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.